Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all this beautiful Mocha Latte set that I just did. Y'all, I'm so sad to be taking off this Valentine's in July set, but gotta keep the content going. Y'all, it really hurts my heart every time I have to take off these beautiful sets within like a day because they be so cute. But I am a nail content creator and I have to keep the content going. And with this, I usually, if I know I'm doing a full week of content, I do a square shaped set and then I'll just file it off like you see me doing, and I'll rebalance it. I'll add more acrylic if I need it, just to, you know, fix the shape up. But I usually like to use a safety bit to remove the design because it'll help me keep the shape there and not foul away too much. But if I do, for whatever reason, I'll just take some acrylic and fix it. And y'all, this is why dust collectors are so important. Look at all this dust that would have been flying in the air and in your lungs. You do not want that. So here I am just laying my pad down. I did use DeEnti Nude and their monomer. And then I just went in, I balanced out the nail again and fixed whatever I messed up, just to make sure that the shape is still eating, because you know we love a good shape. And still you can see me just patting down the acrylic. I am not swiping until I get to like the very bottom where there's little to no product. I'm just evening it out. And then I just do this on all of the nails until all of them are just looking good again, like a fresh set. Now I just move on to refiling and shaping. Y'all, when y'all are shaping up your nail, you're doing your own nails, make sure you're stabilizing the opposite side of what you're filing, because if you're not stabilizing with your finger, you are going to have a wonky shape to your nail. And you want to focus your file more towards the middle where your finger is stabilizing your file, because it'll help it be the straightest. Going in with my DeEnti Lemon Lush cuticle oil, and I do buff with cuticle oil on it because it makes it so smooth and you don't see any lumps or bumps in your gel application. And once you're done buffing with the cuticle oil, you want to make sure that you are wiping your nails, scrubbing your nails with alcohol to get all that cuticle oil off, all the debris off, to make sure you have nothing messing up your gel polish application. Now we are moving on to the nail art. I'll just see me pour up some acetone, and these are my liner brushes I got from Amazon. I'm so happy I finally know how to use nail liner, like nail art brushes, because I did not know for a long time. And I've used these Model 1 gel polishes and some foil and some gold chrome. That is the basis of what I use for this design. I drew on my French tips on my pinky and my pointer finger, brown on the pinky and like beige on the pointer finger, and then I moved on to painting the full ring finger. And a tip that I learned recently, to use the liner brush to seal in the polish around the edges of the nail to make it crisp, and like all the sides of your nails will be covered, and it'll just, like, you know, it'll just look real cute and crisp, and it won't be, you know, choppy all over the place and close to your cuticles. And then I just use a brush to dab in the beige color in the middle of the nail, kind of like an airbrush effect, and then I use a brush with nothing on it to dab it around and more to add to that effect, because I am not fighting with my airbrush machine anymore. Like, those machines be pissing me off. And now I am adding another coat of polish just to make it really, really opaque. French tips are going to have a chrome line at the bottom, and the ring finger is going to have a chrome like frame on it. So before I did that, I put a top coat on my nails and I cured it, and then I went over it with a buffer. Wherever I put the top coat, I buffed it out so that the chrome won't stick anywhere else but where I put my top coat and black gel polish mixture, because that combination is what I use to stick down the chrome. And then I just swipe it on with my finger. They have little makeup brushes for this, but I just use my finger because my finger was right there. And then I went in with some blooming gel on my index and my thumb. Always wipe the sides of your nails when you're using blooming gel, because blooming gel is so thick it would change the shape of your nail and make it not crisp anymore. And you can see me just marbling in both the colors. Y'all, this came out so cute. I want to do a full hand of just blooming gel and these colors and the foil. This foil, I cut it up a little bit more with my scissors to make it small, and then I just applied it with my wax end of my pencil. And then yeah, y'all, and then once I got it on, the foil does stick up a little bit, so I used the end of my wax pencil thing and I rolled it down to flatten it out. And then I moved on to using my Makarrt Rhinestone glue to glue down my little gibbets. Y'all, my son woke up in the middle of this and pulled the camera down, child. But anyways, I reshaped the edges and the tips of the nails, and I filed underneath with my 180 bit on my mandrel just to make sure everything is crisp and cleaned up. And then I go in with my cuticle oil around my cuticles and we do a little photo shoot. Thank y'all for watching, and here is the final results, y'all. They came out so cute, and I will see y'all tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the next set. Bye.